In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reject a for approval task in Asana. We'll walk through a very simple process, but I'll also explain what's happening on screen so you can feel confident using this in your own workflow. This is especially useful if you're a manager, a reviewer, or anyone responsible for giving final approval on work inside Asana. First, make sure you're already logged into Asana and that you're viewing the project where your approval tasks live. You'll typically be in the list, board, or a similar view of your project. From here, the first thing you want to do is click on the task that you need to review. This is usually a task that's been assigned to you for approval, or one that clearly indicates it's waiting for your decision. When you click on the task, Asana will open a detailed view, usually on the right-hand side of your screen. In this detail pane, you'll see information like the task name, description, attachments, comments, and any custom fields your team might be using. Take a moment to actually review the content of the task. Check any links, files, or notes that were added so you can make an informed decision about whether to approve or reject it. Once you've reviewed everything and decided that the work is not ready to be approved, look towards the top area of the task details. In approval workflows, Asana provides clear options such as approve, request changes, or reject. Here, you're going to click on the option labeled Reject. It is usually displayed prominently above the main body of the task details. When you click Reject, Asana will update the status of that task to indicate that it has been rejected. Depending on how your team has set things up, this might also trigger notifications to the task owner or followers, letting them know that the task needs more work. A good best practice at this point is to leave a comment explaining why you rejected the task and what changes are needed. This isn't a separate step in the process, but it really helps avoid confusion. Clear feedback means the assignee knows exactly what to fix before resubmitting the task for approval. And that's it. By clicking into the task, reviewing the details, and then using the reject option at the top, you can quickly and clearly communicate that an item is not ready to move forward in your Asana workflow.